Do you think artificial intelligence can predict the crypto market? I answer yes to this question. Let's understand how this is possible. Firstly, we know how much new trends can rise in the crypto market. When the metaverse trend started, the sand coin increased by approximately 400 times. During the times when NFT was a trend, an artwork called The Merge was sold for approximately $98 million. During the play-to-earn era, some crypto projects increased by approximately 1,000 times. And now, the era of artificial intelligence is beginning. We witness how artificial intelligence has been advancing rapidly day by day. Artificial intelligence has achieved significant innovations in a short period, and the AI sector continues to develop at full speed. Recently, artificial intelligence technologies that can predict crypto prices have been developed. Projects that combine artificial intelligence with crypto are of great importance indeed. Imagine an artificial intelligence that can find formations, perform technical analysis, provide alerts, and read charts. Imagine that this artificial intelligence can choose the best investment for you by performing price analysis. That would be really amazing, wouldn't it? There are bots and engines that can implement these features. In the artificial intelligence sector, work has been going on for a long time to create tools for technical analysis providers and chart readers. Recently, an artificial intelligence that includes features such as technical analysis, chart reading, and formation provision has been announced. The project's name is Ypredict.ai. This project is currently in the pre-sale phase. When the sale pool here is completed, the pre-sale will be over and the project's tokens will be sent to the buyers' wallets. I researched the Ypredict project, which is also shared by CoinMarketCap, and decided to invest a small amount of money. I don't know exactly how the project will turn out, but I thought it was worth trying. Right now, I have 170 tokens in my account. I bought them by connecting my MetaMask wallet. If you also believe in this project and want to try your luck, you can make small purchases. All you have to do is connect your MetaMask wallet to this site and make transactions on the network you choose. I traded using the Binance network and purchased tokens using BNB. The project promises to provide lifetime technical analysis services to those who make a $500 purchase, and the investment pool is filling up. Please remember this: no project gives you a guarantee. Regardless of who presents the project, if you are going to invest in a project, you should research and learn about that project well. This project may or may not fulfill its promises. If this project fails, I will lose a small amount of money. But if the project succeeds along with the bull market, this project can really earn me a lot. Artificial intelligence has become a new trend worldwide. That's why I'm interested in such projects. I'm researching projects for you and sharing the ones that catch my interest with you. If you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.